Beacons.ai uses three distinct currency settings that work together to manage your international sales and payments. Understanding each type is essential for optimizing your creator business. Display currency controls how your prices appear to visitors on your Beacons page. This setting often automatically adjusts based on the visitor's location to show prices in their local currency, making your offerings more appealing and easier to understand. Payout currency determines the actual currency you receive your earnings in. This setting may be limited by the payment processors that Beacons.ai uses, and choosing a different currency from your earnings may involve conversion fees. Pricing currency is the base currency you set for your products and services. This can be different from your display currency, with Beacons automatically handling the conversion to show appropriate prices to different visitors. To access these currency settings, navigate to your account settings and look for the Payments or Billing section. Here's what the Beacons interface looks like when managing your page settings. When creating invoices or setting up products, you'll see how these currency settings work in practice. The system handles conversions automatically while maintaining your preferred base pricing structure. Behind the scenes, Beacons uses a sophisticated currency conversion system. This flowchart shows how the platform determines exchange rates and handles conversions between your different currency settings. Keep in mind that changing currency settings may require account verification and could be limited based on your account type or geographic location. Some payment processors have restrictions on certain currencies, which affects your available payout options. When selling internationally on Beacons, currency conversion fees can significantly impact your earnings. Understanding these costs helps you optimize your revenue strategy. Exchange rate fluctuations add another layer of complexity. When rates change between when you earn and when you receive payment, your actual earnings can vary significantly. Here's a comparison of currency conversion fees across major payment processors. As you can see, fees vary significantly, especially for international merchants. Double conversion costs occur when your earning currency differs from both the platform currency and your payout currency. This creates two conversion points, doubling your fees. To optimize your international sales, follow these best practices. Choose a payout currency matching your primary bank account to minimize conversion fees. For regional pricing strategies, consider local purchasing power and price your products in round numbers that feel natural to your target market. This improves conversion rates significantly. Finally, maintain detailed records of all currency conversions for tax purposes and regularly check the Beacons Help Center for the most current information on supported currencies and fees.